अडानी पोर्ट्स एंड स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन लिमिटेड के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर करण अडानी कहते हैं, कोणार्क के कलिंगन बिल्डर्स समझते थे कि बड़े स्ट्रक्चर के लिए सिर्फ विजन ही नहीं बल्कि मटेरियल भी चाहिए होता है। पत्थरों को खोदकर निकालना, ट्रांसपोर्ट करना और आकार देना पड़ता था। आज हम भी यही करते हैं, लेकिन मटेरियल सीमेंट है और हम जो स्ट्रक्चर बना रहे हैं वे हॉस्पिटल, स्कूल, सड़कें और घर हैं।
The Kalingan builders of Konark understood that great structures require not just vision but materials. Stone had to be quarried, transported and shaped. Today we do the same, but the material is cement, and the structures we are building are hospitals, schools, roads and homes. This plant will employ 2,500 people directly and indirectly and ensure that Odisha builds its own future with its own hand from its own earth. Taken together, these projects are a statement of belief. A belief that Odisha is not on the cusp of its moment, it is in it. That the next chapter of India's industrial rise will be written here in this state by these people. There is a continuity in this that I find genuinely moving. The sailors of ancient Kalinga did not ask for permission to reach across the ocean. The astronomers of Konark did not ask for permission to solve the sky. And Odisha today does not need to ask permission to lead. The inheritance is already there. We are simply being invited to be part of what comes next. Adani Group's stake in Odisha's success is not incidental, it is structural. The more Odisha grows, the more we grow with it. That alignment, I believe, is the right foundation for a partnership that outlasts any single project. Honorable Chief Minister, to you and your government, thank you. Not for the hospitality alone, though that has been extraordinary. Thank you for the clarity of your vision, for the seriousness with which you approach governance, and for the trust you have extended to us. We do not take it lightly. To the people of Odisha, what we build here today, we build for you. Not above you, not around you, for you and with you. That is the only kind of growth worth pursuing. The ground we break today will in time carry the weight of data centers and power plants and factories. But first, it carries a promise. We intend to keep it.